Good day from the office of the Mob Justice Football. If you like the content, just press the plus sign. We are also there on YouTube. It's Advo Mob Justice Football. Just wanted to say justice for Ucwecwe. We are joining the rest of South Africa in calling for the justice for her. She was at a school premises looking for education, but her rights was vandalized by a human being. So back to business of the day. It's next match tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I'm saying to all the Buccaneers, you must not eat. We are eating McAlger from Algeria. It's a sold-out affair. They can't wait to witness a beautiful mob justice football displayed by Orlando Pirates Football Club. That's why they sold all the tickets and making sure that 50,000 plus come and witness the mighty Buccaneers as they're teaching Africa a right football. I'm talking about the team that finished first with the maximum points, none other than others in both group of CAF Champions League. So we just wanted to say mighty Buccaneers tomorrow at 9 o'clock at South African Standard Time, Central African Time, will be kicking off against McAlger in the first leg of the quarterfinal of the African football. We are the first team to win the CAF Champions League in the Southern Hemisphere. We are the trendsetters. We've done it before and we are going to do it just like that. So here on the graphic design, as you can see, it says the sea robbers travel the Bay of Alger. You can see that the player of McAlger there is standing in front of the ship. Will he survive? I don't think so. We are going for 3 points, Buccaneers, and we are going for a kill. Support all our players. We are saying we rally behind you, boys. You know what we do, man. You like, this is not a PR campaign. You know exactly what we do. You have get the guard of honors at Orlando, and wherever that we travel, we always make sure that ithuba lokuthatha ikhefu sinalo. So we'll meet there. The sea robbers is traveling the Bay of Alger, and it will never be nice. I'm saying to Jose Luis Rivero, there is your boys. We saw the preparation. We hope that you are in good condition, and even in bad condition, we must soldier on and make sure that the results comes. We are at Stade de Juliet in Algeria. It's a sold-out affair. Let's do the task. Then we'll host them next week, Wednesday, and then that's where we'll be able to play them at 6 o'clock. To my Buccaneers, I'm saying I check even the suspension. There's no one that is suspended. We welcome the return of Olisanda, James Monyan as well back into the squad, and Miguel team. We are hoping even the rest of the injury players will be able to turn and pass the successful rehabilitation process. This is the office of the Mob Justice Football, where Orlando Pirates matters. Tango.